Installation procedure of Solis inverter with lithium battery. Tools and components are below mentioned. Below mentioned tools and components need to use for installation purpose. Solar array design. Solis 1000. 2 panel parallel configuration. 335 watt 24 volt solar panel need to install, and maximum VOC is 60 volt need to maintain properly. Solis 2000. 3 panel series configuration. 335 watt 24 volt solar panel need to install, and maximum VOC is 140 volt need to maintain. 2 panel series 2 panel parallel configuration. 250 watt 24 volt solar panel also using Solis 2000. Maximum VOC is 140 volt. Solis 3000. 3 panel series 2 string parallel configuration. 335 watt 24 volt solar panel need to install, and maximum VOC is 180 volt. AJB need to install compulsory. 4 panel series 2 string parallel configuration. 250 watt 24 volt solar panel also we can use in Solis 3000. Maximum VOC is 180 volt. AJB need to install compulsory. This is 250 watt panel detail. This is cable with MC4 terminals. MC4 connector male and female. Connecting male to female MC4 connector. Press and lock. This is connecting panel in series, plus or minus. Take MC4 connector, female, male and female. Press and lock. This is a back panel of Solis inverter battery connector. Negative, battery negative need to connect and tight with ring spanner. This is battery positive. Connect battery positive wire and tight with ring spanner. Now battery is connected. This is the SPV connector, positive and negative. This is input and output connector. Input phase neutral, earth, output neutral and phase connection. This is child safety design. After connecting all wire need to fix with screw. After connection of battery and input SPV, we can on the inverter. Now powering on inverter. Now inverter is on condition. Grid, solar mode or inverter UPS mode selection. Switch off main supply, then switch off inverter switch. Backside you can see enter button. Press 3 seconds. In display we can see password option. Password is required in enter into setting mode. Password is 10,000. Use up and down button, then select 10,000. Then press enter button. Again press enter button. If we click enter button, we can see here grid or solar mode. If you select 1, it will be grid mode. If you select 2, it will be solar mode. Then press enter button. Now we can see here inverter UPS. If you click 1, it will be inverter mode. If you click 2, it will be UPS mode. Then press 3 second enter button. Now setting is completed and exit from setting menu also. Installation time. How to select tubular or lithium battery. First, off main supply. Second step, off inverter switch. Then we can see backside 3 button, enter, up and down. Press enter button 3 seconds. We can see here display password. Password is required to enter setting mode. Password is 54345. Use up and down key, then we can select password. Password is 54345. After entering password, press enter button. Again enter button. You have to press. Now we can see here option tubular or live. If we click 1, it will be tubular. If you click 2, it will be live battery. Then press enter button 3 seconds. Now setting is completed. Then exit from setting menu also. Operation modes. Solar charging. When sunlight is available, first priority for battery charging and load is running on grid. If battery is fully charged, means battery reach 100%, load automatically transfer to solar. Now battery charging and load is running on solar. Night mode. If battery is charged condition, load is running on battery mode. If battery reach after discharge, battery reach 80%, load is automatically transferred to grid mode. Now load is running on grid. If in case grid is failed, now again load transfer to battery mode and it will work if till battery discharge condition. Load will be working on battery mode. Solar plus grid mode. When switching in grid mode, battery is charging from solar and grid and load is running on grid. When grid is failed, in grid mode, load is running from battery till get battery discharge. Load is running from battery. Once mains come, again it will run from grid. Thank you.